Here we have the Sony A6400 using the 35mm OSS APS-C lens. We are recording in HLG3 and exposing to the right. Now we're going to be using the Leeming LUT, link below, no affiliation. And with that, it tells you to set the saturation in camera to +15. However, that LUT was designed for the original HLG and we're using HLG3. And I find that the saturation needs to be dialed back. So rather than +15, after some testing, I have settled on +7. Doesn't mean to say you have to use that, but for me, that works best. White balance here has been set with the grey card. We are at 24p AVCS, 100 megabits a second. F11, Zebra's 95 plus, and this tells me I'm at +1.3 ISO 125. And what we'll do, drop this all, Premiere Pro CC, apply the Leeming LUT HLG to Sony, and that is what you'll see. And as usual guys, it's been emotional.